Celine jacket with Supreme ski. I might hop at that bitch and get busy. I told her my mama, she told me be careful. I told her mama I'm standing on business. I'm in the SRT track hawk. I see the curb and this bitch start kiss. I come to your city, I don't check in, cause I got that fire when I'm in your city.
Yo, what it do? I'm gonna drop a football drill video and the tutorial on speed flex chin strap on the F7. As you can see, nice and easy work. It's easy, nice and loose, both sides. It's easy to use, quick and easy to use, man. We gonna get into that later on in the video though. But I'm gonna start off with the drip I used and the pricing and where you can get it from. So we'll start off with my first picture. First game, YALL, which I wore white sleeves. It's this picture right here. I wore white sleeves, white bands, white band on my arm, then a white band on my knee, and then spat, white socks, white spat. I'm gonna include the picture as well, so y'all can picture what I'm saying too. And then ski, of course, ski, of course. Amazon. I always get my ski on Amazon. Boy, I'm trying to tell you. Then you got I got the Under Armour cleats on, the suede Under Armour cleats that I don't make no more. Got them. So yeah, that's it for the first. Oh, my mouthpiece. I got my mouthpiece from Amazon as well. The visor I was using in this game was Schutt clear mirror. As you can see, it's in there right now. I don't know if you can tell about it. I don't know if you can see the mirror or not, but yeah, Schutt clear mirror. That's what I got on that picture. Then going to the next game, same thing really. I just changed the bands to red on both arms, and then instead of putting the bands on my legs, I put it on my wrist as well with the orange sleeves and rival gloves as well. I thought about going no gloves. No gloves look better than me, to be honest. And ski, of course. You know, ski of course. Same helmet, same visor. Shock visor, shock clear mirror, just if y'all didn't hear me the first time when I said it. Then with the famous Cornelius Enzos with the fresh white laces, no Supreme laces. Yeah. That's this picture right here. And this is it in game pics. I believe this is when we played against Waxahachie. Probably my most detailed drip game. Had on ski mask with sleeveless turtleneck. White sleeves, of course, 2 half white sleeves. My rival athletic gloves. Then my cleats. Let's talk about the cleats. The cleats was the craziest thing that I think I did all season. I spatted up my cleat, but I had a cross on them as well. So I spatted up the cleat, but I left the cross hanging at the bottom, as y'all can see, for more details and whatever, however you want to put it. Then I believe this game is Mansfield High School. Actually, that's when I switched helmets to my speed flex. I don't actually have my speed flex with me right now, but I had a clear mirror on my speed flex. A black sleeveless turtleneck. We had white jerseys on. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all gonna see the picture. And then black undershirt, black pants, 1 black leg sleeve, some black socks, a black orange sleeve, North Carolina University gloves, and then these Cornelius Enzo ones, all white with the black laces. I'm gonna put the picture up, y'all gonna see it. This picture right here. Then I had the mirror back plate. The ref gonna tell you to hide your back plate regardless. So back plate don't really matter, to be honest. I'm not gonna tell y'all to go get no crazy looking back plate, cause the ref gonna tell you to cover it up either way it go. That's about all the like pictures that I got, but I can go through some of the actual like some of the like gear I got. I got the Shock 20%, 20%. I don't know. See, Shock 20% visor. I believe it was $70, $70 for 20% shock visor. The Cornelius Enzo ones, I think these are like 120. These 120. Yeah. Orange sleeves. I get these on Amazon for about like $10 on Amazon. The Under Armour sleeves, you get one for 15, so 2 for 30 basically. Whatever brand your school is, I'm telling you, bro, don't be trying to cross brand, bro. That's not fly. Under Armour, hand warmer. Tell me, hand warmer is gonna come in clutch, especially them rainy, snowy games. My senior night game, that was the one I needed. I had it. It was going crazy. Last but not least, man, my baby, man, my S7. My S7, man. My baby right here, though. I actually took this from the school, my senior year of high school, because quite frankly, they couldn't win enough games for me to even like not take my helmet. Maybe if we would have like won a couple more games, I probably would have let them keep my helmet. But because we didn't win enough games as we were supposed to, and we didn't do the things that we needed to do, I had to do the thing that I needed to do, and I needed to take this helmet from Cedar Hill, which I did. Sorry, Miss B. But yeah, this helmet is $700. Visor, clear mirror shop. Yeah. So we're gonna get into the damn. Now we're gonna get into the tutorial on how to apply your Speedflex chin strap onto your F7. Okay. Alright, as you can see right here, this is where you connected your chin strap at first, right? So you're gonna come into the inside of the helmet right here. You're going to move this back right here. You're going to unscrew the screw right here on this black. You see, you get in there for y'all. You're gonna unscrew that screw right there. Unscrew that screw right there. And that's gonna be the screw that's going to connect your Cam-loc to your F7. So I'd say get you a screw about. You can use the outside screw from the button you took off from right here and use it to screw on the Cam-loc right here. If you can see what I'm saying. That's how you put a Cam-loc 27.